Hi Gemini, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for March. Before I go ahead with the video, first I'm really sorry I was a little unwell and hence some of these monthly readings got a little delayed. So I'm really sorry and I hope you understand this situation. Now, how we'll go about with the video is we go ahead and take the top row as for you and the bottom row is for your person, but again feel free to switch if you want, but for me the top row is always for the sign I do this video for. Now while I'm shuffling the cards, please also note that tarot should always be used as a guide, so only take what resonates and please leave the rest. Let's quickly begin. Now what I see for you Gemini is you have the Queen of Swords, the Seven of Cups, the Queen of Wands and the Four of Wands. Your person has the Three of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords, the Moon card and the Knight of Cups. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling both of you have, what is the blockage in the relationship and what is the outcome of the relationship. Bottom of the deck I have the Page of Swords. So yes, there is definitely some truth that needs to be talked about, some communication or something that is currently hidden has to be told to the other person. Now what I see for you Gemini is you have the Queen of Swords energy, which means that what you are attracting is only honest communication and nothing else but pure honest conversation from the other person. So anybody who wants to come close to you will have to tell you all the facts and not hide anything, because the minute they try to do anything, okay, anything which is not correct, you will just cut them off. Okay, that's the kind of energy you are in. Now I also see that you also have the Seven of Cups. With that you could have a lot of options, or you got to know that your person was currently involved with, okay, a lot of people, or they were exploring, and that's the reason why you are in this energy, because you expect honesty and you want to know what was actually happening behind your back. Now there is also this Queen of Wands, okay, that I see. Queen of Wands is somebody who's very magnetic, very attractive, okay, somebody who's sexually very attractive, and they attract a lot of people, okay, because they are super confident about themselves, and especially the way they look, okay. So I also see the Four of Wands. So there could be a situation where either you or your person got involved with somebody who was very beautiful to look at, okay. Now please go ahead and take it as per your gender. So if you are masculine, then it could be somebody who was a feminine, or vice versa, okay. Now there could also be a situation here that I see that because you got involved in this particular fling, okay, there could be a situation where you have gone ahead and hampered the Four of Wands energy, okay. So maybe you were expecting, or your person was expecting to build a relationship with you, but somebody, okay, it normally happens that, you know, all of a sudden you just see somebody somewhere and you get physically attracted to them, and most of the times you forget that, you know, there's somebody back home who has invested a lot of their time, energy on you, and this is very natural and it happens, okay. And that's the test of your strength. Are you able to let go of these temptations which fall on your way, and can you go ahead and still say no? Is nature's way of testing you. So that's what I see right now. Now your person has the Three of Pentacles. This person definitely has to go ahead and, you know, wants to build with you, but currently they understand that this is not happening, okay. This relationship is not moving in the way they wanted this thing to move, and it's causing a lot of sorrow to them. They also understand that there is definitely something that's happening behind their back, because they also have the Moon energy, okay. And with the Moon energy, it could be that they are doing something, or they already are aware that you are doing something with this Moon energy in the dark, and that's causing a lot of stress to them. This person at the end of the day has a lot of love for you, and they want to rush in and talk about that love. They want to offer you that cup of love, but they are not doing it right now because they don't think that the timing is correct. Let's see what is the mutual feeling both of you have. That's the Nine of Wands. Both of you are stressed right now. Both of you who are feeling a little bit of stress, a little bit of exhaustion, because you wanted this relationship to move in a direction, but because of maybe the current situation that either you or your person got involved in, this is just not what you guys had planned, and it is kind of a setback in this relationship. Let's also see what is the mutual feeling both of you have. That's the Nine of Wands. The blockage currently is the victory that you want in the situation. The victory is just not happening. Both of you want it, but it is just not happening. That's the blockage that I see for you. Now let's see what is the outcome. The outcome of the relationship is the Devil card. Now with the Devil card, it could be something that this person got addicted to, or it could be you, okay, that there is some negative energy around them. Now it could be anything, okay, it could be sex, drugs, alcohol, anything which is negative, which has caused a lot of stress and exhaustion, and it has brought about a lot of negativity in this relationship. Let's take one card here to understand what is the intention of this person for this particular month. Spirit, help me with one card. Alright, the card that I see for you is the Five of Wands. So yes, there was a lot of competition. There were people around this particular relationship that were influencing this relationship. Okay, it could be either influencing you or the other person. Let's take one more card here. Alright, the Magician card. This person definitely understands that there is a lot of stress both of you are going through, and they will at one point move into the Magician energy, where they will command all these four forces, okay, all these four elements to go ahead and work in their favor. So just be a little careful about this. Now I also see this person has the Four of Pentacles energy, wherein they were a little miser. They didn't want to share their finances, their money, and also their emotions, okay. It's not necessarily money always. It's also that when the person doesn't want to share, okay, they tightly hold on to whatever they have. Now let's take one card here, which will be a message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal here is the celestite. The crystal message is, are you hearing messages from your angels? Have you noticed your life flows easily, as if divine timing is working in your life? Peace is yours. You have a team of angels on your side, illuminating and orchestrating your life. They respond to your thought, wishes, and dreams according to the divine plan. Now the message for you is from Archangel Uriel, which I'll put in the description box, and that's all I have for you for this particular month. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.